почему мы должны что-то навязывать нашим друзьям. Мы работаем со всеми странами, которые готовы сотрудничать на основе равноправия и взаимной выгоды. Мы не приемлем односторонних шагов по навязыванию неких санкций, мер принуждения, которые применяются в том числе в отношении Зимбабве. И я считаю, что подобные политизированные шаги существенно искажают функционирование рынка. Можно сказать, что те, кто применяет односторонние санкции, вмешиваются непозволительным, противоправным образом в игру свободных рыночных сил и в правила, которые заложены в мировой экономике.
You know, I do not quite grasp why we should impose anything on any of our partners, Zimbabwe in particular. We're willing to work with any country that is ready to do that on the basis of equal rights and mutual benefit. We are certainly categorically against any unilateral steps, such as sanctions or trying to impose measures forcing this or that country to do something. Such measures are unfortunately in place against Zimbabwe. We believe that these politicized steps distort the market, and the countries that invoke these measures interfere illegally within the play of free market forces.
In fact, just to add on that, Zimbabwe has its own choice to invite its counterparts, corporates from Russia, so that they can come in and invest in Zimbabwe. And it is the desire of Zimbabweans that we can benefit out of the technology which the Russians are quite competent in, so that we can also develop in terms of upgrading through the special economic zone, for example, which have just been asked, so that we can industrialize, value add, and then create value in what we do, together with our partners who have stood by us in different international forums.
Thank you very much, Honorable Ministers. Can we take the last round of questions? We start with the Russian press. Yes, please go ahead.